Hey, how's it going? I have a Mesa Boogie Dual Rectifier. It's the 3-channel multi-watt. I'm going to be putting it through the paces using a Gibson Les Paul, and I'm running through a Marshall 1960A cab. If this answers any questions you had tone-wise about this amp, please leave a comment in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Hopefully I can help you out if you're on the fence about buying one or something. Okay, I'm going to start with the clean channel on channel 1, 100 watts, full power, Diode Rectification. Okay, I'm going to turn the volume up, the gain down just a little. That'll clean things up. If you want to darken it up, you can turn the volume down and the gain up. That'll give it more push. Fat, turn the presence down, turn the bass up, and you can get some it's a little thicker sounding. Start with the gain, turn the gain down, and then turn the volume up. Turn the presence up. Maybe the bass down a little. Okay, let's try 50 watts. Turn the presence up a little more, the bass down a little more, turn the gain up, volume up. Okay, let's turn the sag channel on, or the power down to spongy. Makes it sag a little more. And then let's turn the diodes to tube rectification. I'm going to turn the volume up just a little more. I'm going to turn the volume down and turn the gain up just a little bit. I'm going to turn the presence down, the bass up just a little. I'm going to turn the gain up a little higher and the volume down just a little lower. Put it on 50 watts. Okay, I'm going to switch down to the push channel. Put back on 100 watts. Turn the volume down just a little bit. Okay, let me turn the presence up a little. That'll tighten up the bottom end And turn the gain down just a little, volume up just a little. Okay, let me turn the gain up a little, turn the volume, leave it alone. Turn the presence up just a little more, turn the bass down, turn the low down a little. Okay, let me turn the gain down and the volume up. Turn the presence down just a little, the bass up. So when you turn the presence down, it kind of fattens everything up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to turn this, I'm going to leave it on that channel. I'm going to turn it back to full power. I like it on spongy better on that channel. I'm going to turn it down to 50 watts. Okay, I'm going to switch to channel 2 in raw mode, and I'm going to put it back on 100 watts. Let's see. So this is the lowest gain setting on this channel 2 here. I'm going to switch to spongy and take it down, take the power down, and leave it on tube rectification. Okay, let me take this down to 50 watts. Let me turn the presence up a little bit, bass down. Okay, I'm going to switch to diode rectification real quick. Okay, I'm going to put it on, or actually I'm going to bring the presence down and fatten it up a little bit first, I think, on this mode. Okay, and I'm going to switch to Vintage on channel 2. And I'm going to bump that back up to 100 watts. Okay, I'm going to drop it down to 50 beats. Okay, let me see. Let's kick that back up to full power. And we're going to knock it down to tube rectification. Bump it up to 100 watts again. Okay, if you turn this presence higher, it tightens up the bottom end and adds some high end on top of everything. But if you lower it, it makes it fatter. It kind of bumps up the bass a little bit. So you can alter your tone a lot with just these two knobs. So I can turn this presence low and the bass high and get some fat squealing sounds out here. That might be a little too bassy. I can turn the bass down. Turn the presence just a little, and okay, and then if you want to tighten up the bottom end a little bit, just bring the presence up, and the bass is probably fine right there. Okay, I'm going to drop it down to modern right here. Turn the volume down just a little bit. drop it down to 50 watts. Okay, let's put it back on spongy. Let's put it back to spongy. And drop the power level a little bit. Turn the volume up. Okay, I think I like full power better on this channel. So let's go to Diode Clipping, full power on this channel. I like that channel pretty good. Let's go to channel 3. Whoa. Okay. Okay, I like that pretty good. Let's see what 50 watts looks like. Okay, let's knock that power down to spongy. See what we got. Okay, let's go to a modern, or vintage, not modern, vintage. Let's see what that sounds like. Let's go to 50 watts. Okay, let's switch it back to full power and turn it up to diode clipping on this channel. I'm going to turn the gain down a little bit and turn the volume up. I'm going to turn the treble down and I'm going to turn the presence up a little. Turn the gain up just a little. Okay, let's go to modern here. The volume down just a little bit. Okay, let's take that presence down just a little. Okay, let's turn that on spongy, kick it down to tube rectification, and see how that sounds. Knock it down to 50 watts. Alright, so there you have it. The Mesa Boogie Dual Rectifier.